Presido Buhari don't receive Iyamu for State House Abuja as him tell APC leaders say make them not let wetin shele for Rivers and Zamfara repeat himself for Edo State. Presido Muhammadu Buhari received the All Progressive Congress APC governorship candidate for Edo State, Pastor Osage Iyamu, on Friday 7th August 2020. And he tell all the party leaders and campaign team say make them follow constitutional and legal means and make sure say they win Edo governorship election where the waka come so. Presido Buhari received the governorship candidates for State House with APC Caretaker Committee Chairman, when Naim be Governor of Yobe State, Mai Malabuni, Chairman of Progressive Governors Forum, who be Governor of Kebbi State, Abubakar Atiku Bagudu, with APC Campaign Chairman on top Edo State elections, who be Governor of Kano State, Abdullahi Umar Ganduje. Presido Buhari tell the party leaders say make dem not put hands for the wuruwuru wey not let their party win 2019 elections for Rivers, Zamfara and Bayelsa State. And in talk say as dem don solve all the katakata wey dey shele for Edo APC, im believe say APC go regain the number 1 position wey e first dey, make dem for fit win this election. He still tell the party leaders wey dey national and state level say make dem not do any wuruwuru for the electoral process. As im talk say wetin im want na process wey dey pure well, make Naija people for know say dem not do wayo on top the election. Presido Buhari can congratulate Pastor Osage Iyamu unto say na him be party candidate for Edo State and he say he stand for him back gidigba. Governor Mai Malabuni wey presents the governorship candidate can tell Presido Buhari say Pastor Iyamu na politician wey sabi and Edo people like am well. And as Presido Buhari not show am his support so, dem don dey confident say na their party go win this election.
As we are all aware, Pastor Iyamu is not a greenhorn in Edo politics. He's a grassroots politician, loved by his people. And he went through the transparent process that produced him. And Mr. President has endorsed him. The party has endorsed him. So Mr. President is impressed with his performance so far.
Governor Abdullahi Ganduje can talk say them go do this election jeje and then go make sure say any wuruwuru katakata or yamayama no go shele on top am. And body dey sweet am on top say APC don already get 17 members out of the 24 House of Assembly members wey dey for Edo State.
We are contesting against a serving governor in Edo State who failed woefully. It could have been a big problem if the governor performed well while governing his state. He could have been an asset to PDP, but I assure you that governor is a liability. So we are ready to fight somebody who has failed.
For the Progressive Governors Forum, the defining thing is continuity of the All Progressive Congress in governance at the federal and across Nigeria. And we will support our party any day. The president is very, very clear about his expectation of us to deliver our party in any election, and that is what we will do.
Pastor Iyamu assure Presido Buhari say him go treat Edo people well if them elect him as governor for September 19 election we go soon shele. Unto saying the first serve as deputy chairman on top APC Constitution Drafting Committee when they newly formed the party. And in the APC say he don't come back to APC wey be original party.
Let me also use this opportunity to debunk the story that has been going around in the past 1 week from the opposition that Mr. President did not want to see me. There's no truth in it. The reception I got very warm, very fatherly. The cooperation I've received is unprecedented. I'm happy to belong to the progressive family. And I want to assure you that we'll win overwhelmingly. So please, help me thank the President for this love.
Now here we see this ogbonge informate reach on top with Tori for today. As President Buhari don receive Pastor Osage Iyamu for State House for Abuja. Make una sabi say na TMC TV. Na carry this ogbonge update come give una. My name na Edogogo Edoleye.